Good day, everyone. This is your European Open briefing for Tuesday, August 16th, 2016. I'm Selena Nicholas, currency analyst at xm.com. We'll take a look at the key points we should focus on today. Sterling is very much in focus due to some UK inflation data coming out later today, and we'll look at how pound dollar remains below a key level of 1.29. There's a bit of risk aversion in the markets today. It's supporting the safe haven yen and also high yielding currencies like Aussie, and gold is up. So dollar yen is approaching the key 100 yen level due to reduced Fed rate hike bets, keeping dollar under pressure this morning. And also important to focus on later today will be US inflation data. So let's start with pound dollar. We have first hard data since Brexit coming out today. That's UK inflation data. Also keep in mind we also have UK employment data out tomorrow, and on Thursday UK retail sales. All very important data points to focus on. So today at 9:30 a.m. London time, we have UK CPI expected to remain at 0.5% in July. Pound dollar remains under pressure below a very key level of 1.29. It dipped below it yesterday. It remains below it today. We have Bank of England easing expectations. That will likely keep the pound under pressure. Also, the UK government is nowhere near triggering Article 50 to start the Brexit negotiations with the EU. If we look at the USDJPY pair, of course, risk-off sentiment in the Asian session today gave support to the safe haven yen. The dollar is at a 1-month low against the yen, so USDJPY is fast approaching the key 100 yen level, also on reduced Fed rate hike expectations, keeping the dollar quite weak. Now, risk aversion is also helping the Aussie this morning. It's a high yielding currency. Meanwhile, early this morning we had the RBA minutes of its latest meeting. Minutes mostly repeated many of the RBA's usual sentiments, such as a strong Australian dollar exchange rate. So we have AUD/USD up at 0.77 this morning. Euro also gained. We have Euro/USD rising back above the key 1.1200 level, the highest since June 24 when it fell after the Brexit vote. But Euro has been quite steady so far this week. Let's take a look at commodities. If we look at oil prices have staged quite a rally since last Thursday. They've been rising due to some expectation that an upcoming OPEC meeting where they're expected to discuss some caps on oil production. So that's helping support oil prices. If we look at WTI oil, it hit more than 3-week high yesterday at $45.91 a barrel. Today we have a bit of profit taking, but we can see that the oil prices remain in the $45 handle. If we look at gold, it's a safe haven asset, so it's being supported this morning. We saw prices continue to rise, coming close to 1350. That's now an important resistance level. Also, a broadly weaker dollar is helping gold prices. Gold and the US dollar have an inverse price relationship. If we look ahead, what's coming up today, as mentioned, we have UK inflation data at 9:30 London time. Important to watch out for. And we also have German ZEW economic sentiment data later on. And of course, in the afternoon, we have in the US session, we're expecting the US CPI data. We also have other US data that's important to watch: US building permits, housing starts, and industrial production out of the US. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.